What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me and what car I'm in, it's finally time to mod the X3 M40. Right here in this box, as you can see in the title, we're installing a Mad exhaust, full catback. They went ahead and sent it over. I think this might be the first one, if not one of the first setups for this car. We're gonna test the exhaust. We're gonna see how it sounds. This is the first time I'm ever hearing this exact exhaust on this car. There's nothing like it on the internet. I got here to rod speed about 30 minutes early just to let the car cool off a little bit before they get working on it. Let's enjoy this video. Make sure you drop the like right now because this is about to sound insane and I already know it. So make sure you drop a like, comment what you think about the exhaust when it gets to that point in the video, and make sure you subscribe. We're on the way to 10,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this year. Sometimes you gotta shoot for the stars, and if you miss, you land on the moon. Let's get it. Damn, she's clean. I love the color combo on this. ¿Ese cuenta? ¿Todo bien? Just clean. Guys, these cars, sometimes they put 2 JZs in them, or maybe a K series, and a fat tire in the back, and they're flying. These things are probably like 2,000 pounds. This one has a Model 3 swap. Wide body 370. Look at that one. Sheesh, the Nissans right here. I feel like I'm in Tokyo right now. Look at that. Look at that paint. I think it's mint. What Ford Carrera T? And I think they're bagging this one. Or maybe it's bagged already.
You can go inside and film the one.
Is that a Turbo S?
That's just a regular guy.
Oh, okay.
I'm about to do the stage 2 tune.
Stage 2?
Stage 2, the downpipes and the exhaust and the intake.
Damn, that's about to sound crazy.
Yeah. No, it's not exactly how the other ones sound.
That one's nice. That's paint or wrap?
Wrap. I think they wrapped it 7 bucks.
Yeah, that satin black is crazy. You thought about your next car yet? I think you're leaning towards this, right?
Yeah. The more I drive them and like work on them, I'm just like, alright.
Yeah.
I know what I gotta do now.
We got the NSX. Guys, we have some JDM legends in here today. I just noticed they have another NSX there. Damn, they got Evos, RX-7, another Evo, Nissan 240 over there. This is on bags. Oh yeah, we've seen this one before. This one's always here. I wonder what they're doing to it. Guys, and that EM1, that always had a special place in my heart. By the way, guys, here's Alfred's car. It's tucked away back here. I'm not gonna spill the beans, but you guys see the hood is open. Something is going on with this one, and it's not a bad thing. It's not no check engine, none of that. So the haters don't get excited, but he's got some good things coming. What you got for me, bro?
Well, exhaust from Mad.
Yes, sir. All right, the exhaust is fully unboxed now. I'm not sure which part goes where. I think maybe this one right here might come off the downpipes.
or maybe it's these little ones right here. I'm not exactly sure. That's why I'm not installing it myself. These are the exhaust tips. It's like matte black. So it's gonna look pretty aggressive in my opinion. And if anything, I can change them out in the future to something like polish or gloss black or maybe carbon tips. And then this right here is the muffler. Obviously the muffler box is a lot smaller than the OEM, and I'll show you guys that. This is gonna be Eco. And now we're gonna do Comfort. And then Sport. Okay, so this is the OEM exhaust. Here's the muffler. It's a lot bigger than the other one. Once we take it down, we're gonna compare it and see how it looks side to side. But here you have from the muffler, it's like an X pipe, and then I think this is a resonator right here, and then it goes down to the downpipe. So it's a much simpler setup than mine because of the two turbos. This one is single turbo, so one downpipe, the curve into that resonator, and then the two pipes that lead to the muffler, and then the ends right here. So here's the OEM exhaust. Obviously, like I showed you under, it has that resonator in the middle over there. And then here's the size of the muffler compared to the new muffler. It's a lot smaller. So we're about to throw this on and you guys will see and hear what the difference sounds like. Alright guys, it's fully mounted. You can see here's a smaller muffler back here, and then you can see the kind of like the X pipe here. Not really an X pipe, but it comes to one, obviously, since there's one turbo and one downpipe. So it comes from here, makes a turn, splits the two into the muffler, and then I don't have the valve controller, but they're gonna send it over. There's one here and one here that's going to be closing and opening the valve. So right now it's going to be completely open. You ready? I'm gonna count down 3, 2, 1. Guys, that's it for today's video. I think it sounds so good. It's such a big difference. It's like not too loud and it's not too quiet. It's not raspy at all. It sounds super, super clean. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you think wifey's gonna like it or not. I know the valve controllers are gonna be coming in, I think, next week, so I'm gonna be installing those. And then we'll see the difference with Comfort, Eco, and also Sport Plus. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.